Hello everyone. How are you doing? My name is Dr. Aberra Baisaso. I'm your investment analysis and portfolio management course instructor. For today, we are going to discuss chapter 6, which is about security analysis. Security analysis. So under this security analysis, we will see fundamental versus technical analysis approaches. These are the two basic security analysis approaches. So we will see the fundamental as well as technical analysis. So here are the contents of the presentation. First, we will have the case, the investor dilemma. Second, we will see the learning objectives of this lecture video, and we will see fundamental analysis, and under fundamental analysis we will see economic, industry and company analysis. Next to that, we will have interactive understanding check. After that, we will see the second approach, which is technical analysis and indicators. Next to this, we will see fundamental versus technical analysis, the debates, the two sides. We will see the comparison. After that, we will see strategic portfolio allocation. And finally, we will have summary and next actions. And after that, we will have final performance assessment. You will be assessed by the end to check whether you understand or not. So this presentation has two main learning objectives. Objective 1 is compare and contrast between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Distinguish between fundamental analysis and technical analysis by examining their core philosophies, specific analytical toolsets, and underlying principles. Objective 2, practical application. What is that? Analyze diverse real-world investment scenarios to successfully select, justify, and execute optimal analysis methods for asset valuation. So by the end of the presentation, these two objectives are expected to be fulfilled, or you will achieve these two objectives. Let's see the first section, which is the investor dilemma. We have two investors, Sarah and Michael. Sarah's approach is the fundamental analysis, whereas the Michael's approach is technical analysis. So these two cases gives us the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. What is the Sarah's approach? She is fundamental analyst, so that she evaluates macroeconomic reports, industry landscape dynamics, financial statements, and company balance sheet health. In short, Sarah's approach is fundamental analysis, in which she analyzes the overall economic condition, the industry situation, as well as the company situation. So after these three analyses, finally she will determine the intrinsic value, the real value, or the true value of the shares. What is the Michael approach? He is technical analyst. So he tracks historical chart formation, moving averages, trading volumes, and real-time market sentiment trends. So Michael determines simply short-term market prices, whereas Sarah determines long-term stable intrinsic value or true value. Who has the correct strategy? This is the question. Both pathways offer powerful insights depending on transaction timelines and capital goals. Let's see the first one, the Sarah's approach, which is fundamental analysis. So in fundamental analysis, we do three things, or we do three analyses to determine the intrinsic value of the security. We do economic analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis. In economic analysis, we do what? Analysis of high level of macroeconomic drivers, including GDP, inflation, and interest rate situations. Second, industry analysis. In industry analysis, we evaluate sector competition matrix, the level of competition in that particular industry, using established frameworks like Porter's 5 forces and sector life cycles. Third one is company analysis. Here, we do a deep investigation of targeted financial matrices, managerial efficiency benchmarks, and structural competitive modes. So, in fundamental analysis, when you see the economic diagnosis, we track general macroeconomic trends with essential indicators such as real GDP rates, currency fluctuations, federal interest rate decisions to predict broader market directions. In which way the economy is moving. Growing economies basically preferable. Industry life cycle frameworks assess localized competitive intensity with Porter's 5 forces, defining the structural potential and pricing authority within the target industry niche. Last is company evaluation in modes. Audit individual business operational capability by parsing core financial statement disclosures, computing valuations like price earning ratio, price earning growth, and evaluating internal management strengths. So this is a question for you. Which of the following element is strictly not considered a key component of fundamental analysis? So the answer is technical chart formation says pattern. This is technical analysis, not fundamental analysis. The other is comparison, short comparison between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So fundamental analysis, it evaluates intrinsic core valuation of assets, determines intrinsic value, whereas technical analysis, it forecasts momentum and near-term market trends, determines market value, market fluctuations. So the focus of fundamental analysis is analyze why the security value will adjust, whereas technical analysis analyzes when specific price actions occur. Data source for fundamental analysis, balance sheet, macroeconomic indicators, balance sheet and macroeconomic indicators are data sources for fundamental analysis. For technical analysis, the data sources are historical price action patterns and volume matrices. Time horizon, fundamental analysis is it has long-term outlook, 1 year to 5 years or more than 5 years. Whereas technical analysis is short-term or it has short-term horizons in minutes, days, or weeks. It determines the price fluctuations in minutes, days, weeks, or months. So application in timing, fundamental application, deploy fundamental modeling strategies to decide what to buy. This fits robust multi-year holding strategies, perfect for building stable dividend generation paths, focuses closely on overall business sustainability. Whereas technical execution, leveraging charts tools to pinpoint exactly when to buy. And fundamental analysis is what to buy. Technical analysis determines when to buy. So about the presentation. So do the activities. So see you next time. Thank you.